Hi guys. Okay, so we're starting a new writing lesson today. The writing lesson is descriptive essay. So we're finally done with the personal narrative, writing about ourselves and stuff. Now we're going to be writing a descriptive essay. A descriptive essay is an essay where you're really describing something or someone or a place or a person or a thing. All right, so before we start our lesson, really diving into our lesson, I want us to watch this video. It's kind of long, so I'm going to be skipping through it. And we're just going to watch parts of it just to get an idea of different places around the world. Okay, so if we look here, this is the Eiffel Tower, and the Eiffel Tower is in France. And let's see what else. And it's just telling us facts about it. That's why I told you I was going to go through pretty fast, because I'm trying to get a little bit of different places around the world. Here we have different architecture around the world. This is the Persian architecture. This is Indian. The one at the top that went away. Okay. This one is Indian architecture. Let's see. It's the Taj Mahal that's located in India. Let's see. What else do we have? We have this monument or this building. It was built by Emperor Versian, something like that. Anyway, so it's a different place from the this is in Greece. And then if we keep going, we have the Eiffel Tower. This is in Italia, or not the Eiffel Tower. The Leaning Tower, right? And this is in Italy. And then we have, obviously you guys should all know this one, the Statue of Liberty, and the Statue of Liberty is in New York. Okay, and that Statue of Liberty is in New York. It just gives us a little bit of information about it. And then here's the Golden Temple. I think this is somewhere in India. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. So I'm just showing you different places around the world. Let's see what else. So basically really interesting places around the world that play a big part in our history. So I'm going to stop right there because it's getting a little cuckoo. So anyway, going back to the lesson, there we are. All right, so there are many ways and places that we could explore around the world. Sometimes it doesn't have to be real far, like around the world. It could be closer, like somewhere in the United States, one of the states in the United States. It could be something like, I don't know, California, if you've been, Florida. I know a lot of you guys have been, Louisiana, like different places, Disney World, Disneyland. Places that you have probably been to, right? There are many ways to explore the world. So we are going to really dive in about describing words. So words that describe something. Those are words. Those words are called adjectives. So adjective, it's a word that describes a noun. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. So the person could be the girl, the place could be the school, and the thing could be the cat. The adjective that describes the cat is the pretty cat, the sad girl, the funny school. Okay, so here we go. We have pretty, loud, funny. So anything that describes something is an adjective. So pretty cat, did it describe the cat? Yeah, so that's an adjective. The loud cat, is loud an adjective? Yep. Funny, is that an adjective? Yep. Bright? Yep. Cats, that's a noun. House, that's a noun. School, that's a noun. Book, that's a noun. Sad, that's an adjective. Scary, that's an adjective. Girl, that's a noun. Purple, that's an adjective. Okay, so an adjective is a descriptive word. It's a word that describes something. So what we're going to focus on is we're going to write an essay describing a place that you want to visit. So I want you to really think about somewhere you want to visit that you haven't been to before. Maybe it's Mexico. Maybe it's Honduras. Maybe you really want to go to El Salvador. Maybe you really want to go to Hawaii, right? You want to go spend some time on the beach. Woohoo! Maybe you really want to go, I don't know where. So China. Okay, that could be something you want to do. I don't know. So I want you to really be thinking about a place you want to visit, and I want you to think of words that describe that place. So in your writing notebook, which notebook? Writing notebook. You're going to take out your writing notebooks, and you're going to turn to the next blank page. You're not going to turn to the middle of the book. You're not going to turn to the end of the notebook. You're going to turn to the next blank page. What am I going to do on there, Miss Yusuf? You are going to write down at least 10 adjectives or describing words. Miss Yusuf, I don't have this paper. I know you don't have this paper, sillies. You're going to do it in your notebook. So all I want you to do is you're going to add words that describe, okay? So I want at least 10 words that describe something. So you could say pretty, cool, beautiful, cold, hot, spectacular. Let's see, what are other adjectives? Funny, silly, wonderful, anything that can describe something. I need 10 of those words. If you want to use some of these words that we used here, like loud or bright, scary, you can use those as well, okay? You just need 10 different adjectives. If you guys want to do this as a class with Miss Selena, that's okay too. You can all have the same. But I kind of prefer, actually, let me take that back. I kind of prefer that you guys all have your own adjectives, right? If you want to have a few that are the same, that's okay. But I want at least 1 or 2 that are different than everybody else's, because your story is going to be a little different than everybody else's. And then if you know of a place that you'd like to visit around the world, I want you to write what that place is on the bottom. So you're just going to write one sentence. You're going to say, I want to go to wherever you might want to go to around the world. It could be anywhere. It doesn't even really have to be around the world. It could be, I don't know, if you want to go to Austin, if you want to go to SeaWorld, if you want to go to, I don't know, Orlando Studios. I don't know, where do you want to go? I want you to think about it, okay? And then just write one sentence on the bottom of that paper, on the page in your writing notebook of one place you'd like to visit. If you don't have any ideas, maybe Miss Lena could help you, or you can talk to your friends quietly, whisper to your friends, and maybe they can give you better ideas of a place you'd like to go. Maybe it's a water park that's nearby. Maybe you don't want to go anywhere far around the world, right? Maybe you want to go to France. Maybe you want to go to Paris. I don't know. Where do you want to go? This is up to you. So, all right, so that's what you're going to do there. That's all we're going to do today for our writing. We're just drafting and thinking about what we're going to be doing, and then we're going to dive deeper and start reading the story tomorrow, and then I'll give you directions on what to do after that. Okay, guys? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later, alligator.